Hello, everyone. So, yesterday we did common phrase of the day, God forbid. So, here's a little role play exercise that you guys could use to practice using it in everyday conversation. So, let's say we have Alex. He's the worrier. He worries a lot, he has anxiety. And then you have Sam. He's the chill friend. He's the one who's calm and doesn't let things bother him. So, let's get started. Alex says, "Hey, Sam, are you sure you don't want to back up your files? What if your computer crashes?" Sam says, "It's fine. I've never had any problems before." Alex, the worrier, says, "Yeah, but God forbid something goes wrong. You could lose all your schoolwork." Chill Sam says, "Yeah, you're right. Okay, I'll back it up now. Thanks, Alex." So try using God forbid when you're talking about something you really hope won't happen. Try to make it natural. Don't try too hard, but give it a try. And I hope you learned a little bit from our common phrase of the day and our role play exercise. Please let me know in the comments. Give me some ideas. We're open and we love having you here with us. Bye now.